Welcome to the best course in Bitcoin. What are you investing in? Online, my moniker is Ratava. In this material experience, I go by Mark Schwartz. I began my professional journey in 1998 as a technology attorney. My role then was to assist Fortune 500s and large organizations to soundly structure their technology agreements with technology providers. It was incumbent upon me to stay abreast of new technologies, to learn them, to be able to write them into contracts. As Bitcoin, blockchain, Web3 came along, I studied it for that reason. After a little bit of study, I came to a conclusion that this technology is a revolution with a capital R. A revolution in technology, a revolution in economics, a revolution in governance and government, a revolution in social anthropology, and perhaps a revolution in psychology and being. The purpose of this discussion with you is to equip you with knowledge so that you can form your own conclusion. It seems to be the case that most people are fooled by markets most of the time. It seems to be the case that it's easier to fool people than to convince them that they're being fooled. So my task today is to zoom out, and together we explore the terrain and landscape of these ideas, and thereby you stand equipped with the requisite knowledge to make up your own mind and make up your own powerful choices about whether and how you want to engage this new landscape, this landscape that we call Web3, crypto, blockchain, and so forth. So with that, let's talk about what we're going to go through. We're going to review what is money. We're going to review the market cycle of this new asset class, this new technology. We're going to establish some definitions, and we are going to enumerate and identify and quantify the different categories that constitute this new technology and this new asset class.